What's up, guys? We're back at the shop. JR is going to be helping me weld on some tabs here on the amp rack so I can get the amps mounted. As you can see, I got the corners all cleaned up so we can get that welded on. What do you think, JR? It's going to be easy?
It's going to be smelly.
Oh.
You're gonna smell all the paint in a minute.
The paint's going to get real hot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
JR's freshening it up so he can get ready to weld this, and maybe if he'd let me, maybe he'll let me try a couple welds or something.
There you go.
We'll see. We'll see. Dang, JR. Look at this, guys.
Yes, sir. Feel good.
Literally in maybe 10 minutes. 10 minutes and you put down those beautiful welds. Imagine if you had a little bit longer, make it super nice.
Oh yeah.
So if you guys don't know, JR has his own company where he fabricates custom turbo kits, exhaust systems.
We even have a website too. We sell a lot of fabrication parts like clamps, flanges, stainless steel, titanium.
Okay.
Website is justracingfab.com.
Justracingfab.com. So over here, check this, guys. This is freaking awesome. What is this, JR?
This is a fully CNC aluminum billet intake manifold for LS.
Just Racing Fab. JR Fab for short, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it's a full billet intake for any LS?
Any LS, like 5.3, 6.0, 6.2.
Okay.
And throttle body, this one is cable. So this one has to be a cable.
And so the intake, this is just the intake. You have to buy the throttle body separate, or does it come together?
It depends on the customer,
what you order. Okay.
Yeah, we can do it like that.
Okay.
Yeah. You're gonna see all these parts on my website.
You guys can check out JR's website, justracingfab.com. Check him out on Instagram, JRFab_BTX. Okay, check him out. Also, if you guys didn't know, he actually raced the Hoonigans in his Jeep. If y'all haven't seen his Jeep,
that's right.
Check him out on YouTube. La Jeepeta. It's down right now, getting the engine rebuilt, but that twin turbo system on there is freaking awesome.
We waiting on LME's machine shop. They building me a 426 engine for the Jeep, but it's not ready. So I don't want to rush nobody. I just want to take your time and do it right.
Unlike what I did to JR this morning, I was like, hey man, can you get this done? And he's like, yeah, sure, no problem. And that was it. Definitely check out his website. Pick up a shirt, pick up a sticker, support him. He's doing a good thing. Now that JR has welded those tabs on there for me, I'm gonna take the amps and set them on top of here, and then I can mark the holes for the all thread to go through and bolt down. And then once I get that on there, then I have to make some extra gussets that'll get welded to here and then support the top amp. That way I don't get any vibration. So I'm gonna get the amps mounted on there, get those holes drilled, and get it started. All right, guys, so you guys can see JR got these little reinforcement stands welded up for me. These welds are freaking amazing. It's just a natural. So we've got 4 little reinforcements. Make sure the amps don't want to vibrate around. Also, once this cools down, I'm gonna kind of trim these back and clean them up probably trim it back, you know, I'll probably trim it back right here next to the screw hole. So that's pretty much it. We got the amp rack 90% finished. I'm gonna clean that up, put some paint on it, and tomorrow it's going in the blazer. Mount the amp rack in the blazer, mount the amps in the blazer. We'll get the battery bank in the back as well, and we'll start hooking up all the wires and fuse blocks and everything like that. So tomorrow's going to be a good day, I believe. So that's it for today. Short video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.